Hi, in front of me I have Motorola One Macro and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on this device. Let's start by opening the settings, and to do it just swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the app menu, and here let's select the settings icon. Now let's tap on sound and tap on phone ringtone right here, depending on which SIM slot card you're using. Just select the one you want to use and tap on it, and we have a list of ringtones right here. We can listen to them by just tapping on one to select it and listen to it, and we can go through all of them. So
Moto.
and that's all of them. Select the one you like and tap OK. And that's how you change the ringtone on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.